Hi, third graders. Today I have a writing lesson for you. Remember when we wrote true stories or narratives? And I wrote about one time when I went to the fair. And to help my writing, I elaborated to tell you what it sounded like, what it looked like, what it tasted like. So it's really important to elaborate in all kinds of writing. So today I want to teach you that elaboration or saying more is important in opinion writing too, okay? So one way to say more is to think about the choices you could have made and explain why you didn't make those choices. So our learning target today is I can elaborate or say more to make my writing stronger. Okay. So, one way you can do this is by playing the game, Would You Rather? And I know my class is really good at this game because we have played it a lot in class, okay? So when you're thinking about the game, Would You Rather, it's would you rather have this choice or that choice? So let's practice right now. Would you rather be able to fly or be invisible? So I'm going to be thinking about which one I would rather choose and why, and then I'm going to say why I didn't make the other choice. So I would want to fly because you could explore the whole world and go anywhere you wanted. I wouldn't want to be invisible because you only get to spy on people and that's kind of boring. So I would rather fly. So I stated why I wanted to fly, and then I say why I didn't want to be invisible to help with my elaboration. So let's think back to our dragon writing when we wrote about the scariest dragon. Okay, so I wrote out my example and I'm going to read it aloud to you. And then I want your help on elaborating, thinking about the why not. Why didn't I choose another dragon to be the scariest dragon? So, the black dragon wins the award for the scariest dragon. It is super terrifying and dangerous. There are 3 reasons why the black dragon is by far the scariest. First, the wings are huge. Each wing has a big claw at the top and claws along the bottom. Those claws are very sharp and could defend enemies. Okay, so that is what I have right now. Now I need to elaborate on the why not. So thinking back to the game of Would You Rather, which is another dragon that some people might think was the scariest. So I chose the black one. But some other people might have thought the red dragon is the scariest dragon. So I'm going to go back and elaborate in my writing to say why not. So I went ahead and wrote it on a sticky note. Remember in class when we would do hearts, and then I would put a heart right here to show that's where I wanted to add my elaboration. So, the wings on the black dragon are scarier than the red dragon because there are no claws on the red dragon's wings. It only has little baby spikes. So that is my elaboration for why not. And now my writing is stronger. So let's try that again with the mouth. So, on the back I wrote my second reason. The second reason is the fire-breathing mouth. It is the only dragon that can breathe fire. This makes the black dragon extra scary because it can defend itself from a distance. It also has lots of sharp teeth that can rip things to shreds. So let's think about why not? Why didn't I pick the red dragon's mouth? Okay. So I'm going to add my other sticky note right here because that's where I want to add my elaboration. And notice I used a different color heart And that's where I'll draw it right there to show where that goes. The red dragon has lots of teeth too, but it does not breathe fire. So that makes it not as scary. Okay, so again, I included the why not. All right, kiddos. So this week, you are going to be looking at a new collection, and you are going to elaborate in your writing to say more. So again, thinking about why and then why not. So here is your new collection. You get to look at 5 different puppies and choose the cutest puppy, okay? So this week you're going to give an award for the cutest puppy. So looking at all these puppies, again, thinking about part by part. Look at the mouth, look at the body, look at the color, look at the fur, look at the tails, okay? And record 3 reasons why you think blank puppy is the cutest. And don't forget to include why not. All right, happy writing.